I'm good. So here we go again. I am skiing, but this time we are at the Maine Huts trails, which is sort of central Maine, near Kingfield and the Sugarloaf and Bigelow Mountain range. The trails are groomed, but they don't have a classic track, but because they're groomed, I didn't take backcountry skis. My skis are these sort of skinny skis, but they have partial metal edges, and I have these really narrow kicker skins on it. I have two pairs of kicker skins. The other one is a little bit more with more traction, and I'm gonna use that when we go up the hill that is coming up in about 3 miles. But it's a beautiful day, and I'm enjoying this. I'm not alone. I'm with my honey bun and her friend. I told them to go ahead and just get going because they don't really have much of a pack. I am dragging my sled behind me and everything else is in it. So I will be a little bit slower, and as I like to say, but that's okay. It's a good day. It's going to be a good day on the trail. So where are we going? Well, we are going to ski about 10 miles to a hut, an outdoors hut called Poplar Falls Hut. It's a hut that's near a waterfall, which will be all frozen now in the winter, but it's part of a network of 4 backcountry huts, and Poplar Falls is one of them. So we're gonna ski to it and sleep there and eat there, and then the next day we'll ski back. It's a simple in and out trip. The weather's supposed to be decent. I think there's a snowstorm coming in the night of our return, which would be Saturday night. Today is Friday, so I think we'll be okay. We will have hopefully decent weather. Right now the trail conditions are basically awesome. It's a groomed, smooth surface, so we should make miles relatively easily. There's no deep snow, there's no route finding. I have been on this trail many times on skis, on a fat bike, everything. It's great to see snow-covered trees. It's such a wonderful thing to see. I love winter and how everything gets covered up, and to be able to play in it is a great privilege that I'm very happy about. My skis, those are 195s I think, or maybe 200s. They're called Asnes. That's the brand, Holman Colin. I have 2 pairs of kicker skins on it, and the first pair that I have on right now is basically my fast ski. But when we get to a hill, I might switch with a little bit more aggressive skin that will let me climb easier. So I basically wax these skis with glide wax only, and it makes it simpler. And then I put on the kicker skin that I need, and hopefully it's fast enough to be enjoyable. The initial skins that come with these skis are way too slow, so I bought more of a racing skin, and I think it's worked out so far. So there, I don't know if you could see the road crossing. There was a road crossing. I had to take off my harness and carry the sled over the road. And then I took my jacket off. It's just too warm. It's about -2-3 Celsius. Not cold at all. So, and it's not windy. Well, that was my companion there. They waited for me a little bit, but now they're heading ahead again. I'm a little bit slower with the sled. I think up the hill is the halfway yard. I think they'll wait there, so I will reconnect with them once I get there. I waxed my skis with a blue wax, and I think maybe I could have gone a little bit warmer because the snow is a little bit soft. It's not totally ideal for blue, but it's not bad. It's okay. It's on the borderline blue. But I'm gliding pretty well. I didn't change my kicker skins. Kind of did a herringbone. This is a pretty wide trail, and it actually straightened out a little bit. I think there's another bigger uphill, but I don't think I'll put the beefier kicker skins on. Probably not necessary. It's quite comfortable to do herringbone on this wide, soft trail. Yep. Don't stop, Yvonne! This place is called Hourglass Pond, and we are not too far from the hut. And this is Poplar Falls Hut. We're gonna spend the night here tonight and go snowshoe to the waterfalls hopefully, and have something nice to eat at night. Well, good morning. It's time to go. Time to go back to the car. This has been a great stay. This is what the room looks like here at the huts. You bring your own sleeping bag. You could bring your own pillowcase, and the floor is radiant heating. So there's probably around 50 degrees temperature, maybe 40, depending on how cold it is outside. So you don't necessarily have to bring a winter sleeping bag. I would probably bring like a fall sleeping bag just in case the heating stopped working, which actually happened to me once when I was staying here at some other times. But today it should start snowing around 2 p.m., which would be about the time that we should be arriving at our car. So we'll see how it all goes, but I think it's a little bit colder, and therefore I think it would be better skiing. Yesterday's snow got progressively softer, and at some point it started binding to the bases. I hope that we will get slightly better snow today so that we can just breeze all the way back. Well, we are almost at the road crossing from where we're gonna go up towards the halfway yurt. I'm gonna have a little snack there. It's been good skiing so far. Enjoying it before the winter storm comes around 2 p.m. today. Okay, this looks wonderful. What we see is Flagstaff Lake sort of shining brightly in the distance. I'm skiing away from the halfway yurt. Started fire at the yurt, warmed up a little bit, ate some chocolate, ate a sandwich we made in the morning. Drank some tea I made in the morning with lemon and honey. All good. It's too bad we're almost to the car. So this weekend adventure is drawing to an end. It's funny, on Thursday I visited this house with musicians, and they were trying to learn this song from a movie. Forgot what it was called. Oh, A Star Is Born or something like that. Oh, it's such a beautiful song, and it was like an earworm. It got stuck in my head, and I've been humming it all weekend. And in addition, at the hut where we stayed, there was a guitar. It had broken strings, so I sort of rewired it and made it work. So I've actually started humming and practicing how the song acoustic guitar goes. So it's been all weekend just singing and thinking about the song Shallow. I might even record it with my guitar as some kind of a background music. I don't know if that's even allowed, but I think if I'm doing a cover, it should be allowed. We'll see. Not gonna lose any sleep over it, but it was very enjoyable to actually play guitar on the skiing trip.